No, Arnab, absolutely. I think Ramchandra Guha's tweet is absolutely despicable. I mean, it is patronizing to Gujaratis, it is patronizing to us as a community. And I am not just a Gujarati, I am an Indian, and I have never seen such sort of divisive, trolling of a community and of a state by this lobby. And Ramchandra Guha, Arnab, I'm sorry to say, is not a historian.
No,
I mean, at the most, he is a sports commentator who has turned into a historian. And, that is why he finds such insignificant people to quote like Spratt. I mean, who is Spratt? Why should we take him seriously? Why should Ramchandra Guha be quoting him? Spratt is the same man, and I'll tell you why he is doing this. Because Spratt is the same man who asked for the valley to be given, the Kashmir Valley to be given independence. And Ramchandra Guha is also the same person who called Burhan Wani a leader and not a terrorist. So obviously he finds a lot of common ground with people like this. And like he said, I find him arresting. What does arresting mean? Arresting means that he finds this man and what he's written attractive. And again, that comes from his basic, core of being an elitist and having not recovered from this colonial hangover that he and people like him and this entire left-wing cabal has suffered from. Just because a white man says that Gujarat does not have any culture, Ramchandra Guha and people like him repeat that. I mean, clearly Mr. Spratt nor Mr. Guha
on issues such as this,
studied Gujarat, have studied its culture.
Yeah. On issues such as this, I have absolutely no hesitation in saying, Professor P.K. Basu, if you can be so kind to come on the debate with Saira Shah Halim, that silence is complicity. That here was a real opportunity. Here, let me complete my point, please. Here was, and I completely agree with you. Ram Guha has no credentials. He is not a historian. He's a sports commentator with pretenses. But today he has achieved the distinction of being a full-time professional troll. The question, in fact, there's no difference between his intellectual depth and that of, unfortunately or fortunately, and don't take it otherwise, Nishant Verma, for example, who's on the program. In fact, Nishant may rise higher than Ram Guha on most occasions. My question is, this is a dog whistle for hate against Gujaratis. And my question is also, Professor P.K. Basu, what is Gujarat's crime? That Gujarat's crime is today that Narendra Modi is from Gujarat. Gujarat's crime is that before Narendra Modi became Prime Minister of India, the Gujarat model of development was well known.